Hello folks, today is day 5, it's Auxiliary Sunday. We're going to show you some of our lineup of granulators. One of the first things we want to accomplish in sustainability is to reduce waste. One of the ways we can accomplish that is to actually handle some of the scrap immediately in the manufacturing process. I've got a colleague of mine that's going to talk a little bit about the range of granulators we have. Dennis Mattrell, come on in.
Hi Dave.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. We exhibit on this 2019 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟎 our portfolio of granulators, precise granulators, and we want to convince customer and visitor how precise granulation pays for itself. We have a screenless technology with tooth rollers, low speed for particularly hard and brittle plastic reinforced with fiberglass, I would say polyamide. We have a single rotor and we have also the larger model with a double rotor.
Great.
And also we have the blade technology for soft to medium hard plastic, most important part of the market, because you can reuse PP, PE, ABS, PC with this blade technology with different kind of screen, and for sure it's a best way to reuse the regrind in your process.
Excellent. Thank you, Dennis.
You're welcome.
Well, again, everybody, we're going to be moving on to some more auxiliaries in a moment. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Energy efficiency with drying materials is always a big issue or a big opportunity for molders. I have here today with us Marcus Wolfram, who's going to talk a little bit about a new segmented style wheel dryer.
Hi David.
Hello.
Actually, we are working on energy efficient dryers since many years. We started with the energy rating on each dryer device, and this year we want to use the chance here at the 𝗙cie to introduce our segmented wheel battery dryer, the Aton H1000, which is equipped with a segmented wheel, with an insulated segmented wheel, which we call the eco wheel. It is also equipped with a cross-flow heat exchanger, which gives us the possibility to use the waste air, which usually is blown to the ambient, for the process at the regeneration cycle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Next to that, we also show here a frequency-driven system controlled by 2 dryers. Means one dryer is frequency-driven, and as soon as the material demand is reduced in the drying hoppers, the second dryer gets switched off, and the frequency-driven dryer balance the needed airflow for the complete system.
Okay.
The energy saving is up to 60% when we are able to switch off the second dryer.
Well, that's excellent. That's really, really interesting to learn about. I hope a lot of people come by to see it and can hear more about it. I also noticed behind me here, we've had a wide range of blenders. What's going on with this monster blender in the background here?
This monster, this is the right name for this unit, is our 7 kilo batch blender. It's designed for 6 components. We are able to handle up to 700 kilos and more. Of course, it depends on how many components has to be dosed. The unit is equipped with a real-time live-scale technology. Means we weigh the material as it gets dispensed, and afterwards we have a kind of spiral mixer to homogeneous mix the material. So 700 kilo, that's a big guy.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks for the information, Marcus. I hope things keep going well over here in the WITTMANN booth.
Thank you very much.
And maybe we can go take a look at temperature controllers now. We want to talk briefly about the oldest product in our lineup, water flow regulators, that have been developed since 43 years ago. Gavin, what can you help us with what's going on in water flow regulators?
We have improved the geometry of the valve, which allows us a much finer and precise control and regulation of flow and temperature with the new product.
Excellent, excellent. And how about in the world of temperature controllers? What's going on?
Well, because of big demand, market demand for a temperature control device with a pressurized system without oxygen contact to improve the corrosion resistance of the unit, and also system pressure regulation to avoid cavitation of the pump.
Great.
We are showing this year a new product. This is up to 100 degree or 200 degree Fahrenheit, which is the TemproPlus D100.
That's awesome. So we remove some of the oxygen to not allow corrosion, and we also increase the capacity of the unit to 100 degrees. That's incredible. Thanks. Hope everybody gets by to check this stuff out.